to leave the house for the first time since my surgery. So that is pretty exciting. I have a follow-up appointment with my doctor, and I'm going to be meeting my new physical therapist for the first time, which is pretty exciting. I'm also really hoping that this means that the splint on my foot is finally coming off. That would be great progress. I know it's doing its job, but I'd like to see the splint go. So that is my other hope for today. The first challenge though is gonna be to get down my stairway. So wish me luck. What are you doing? No, that is not a good idea. You're gonna end up in hospital.
I'll get a turn with this thing.
All right. You coming back up for me?
I sure am.
Made it. Thanks to help from my dad. Ready?
So did you hurt it previously?
I hurt my foot in my ice skates walking down the hallway.
Oh no!
Yes.
It's always like there's something that you do all the time that it just...
There's carpet in the back hallway, and my skates were wet because I just gotten off the ice, and my left foot just skated, and my right foot twisted. Yeah. So.
I'm like, why?
Oh my goodness.
It's like opening a present.
It is.
It's a present for you and a present for me, honestly. And then lift it up for me. Beautiful.
My leg looks so skinny. Wow. That's ugly.
You're gonna feel me tug these two nuts just to get under the loop. Every single one of these little loops, I'm just gonna snip it and just gonna pull it out.
Okay.
Okay. So you might feel some discomfort at least 3 times, just to give you a heads up. Okay. If you need a breather,
No.
take some time, let me know. We gotta put on some ASMR stuff. I'm here for you. We'll do this together. Don't worry.
Okay. That's really just got really hot.
Okay. All right. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. These are important. You need this to skate, you know?
Yeah, it's been
Is it hard to not go on the ice?
I haven't been on the ice since beginning of September. I've been teaching my students in shoes.
Oh my goodness. See what your passion, right? It's okay, you're on the practice readings. Don't worry. All will be well. Everything looks good. There's no opening, no swelling, no signs of infection. So
I definitely felt like I could feel it swelling right at the beginning, like with the pressure in the boot.
which makes sense because everything goes with gravity. So blood is rushing to your foot, so you're feeling it swell, but it's normal. Completely normal. All right,
Okay.
so I'm all done with the fun stuff.
Okay, thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
Yeah, intent is nice. It's just forced to preempt swelling,
Okay.
and you put it on top. So then put your foot in the bottom. So the back of your foot is flat on there. Yeah, and the black numbers are pounds. You're going just for 20 pounds.
That's almost no weight at all.
There's almost no weight at all. So try walking. And that looks great.
Okay.
So the sequence, the timing, it looks really good.
Okay.
You just touch it, I'm gonna allow a little pressure, I'm gonna blend a little weight at the same time.
All right, well, I got the splint off. That's one of the things I was really hoping for, and now I have the walking boot. So I'm just really excited that things are progressing, moving forward, and the whole healing process is continuing. I know I still have quite a road ahead of me to get this foot where I need it to be, especially if I'm going to skate on it again. But I'm ready, I'm excited, looking forward to all the physical therapy and just getting back to normal. I'll keep you posted how things go. And if you have been enjoying watching this journey, then do give me that thumbs up and subscribe so you can see all the videos I post in the future, especially once I'm able to get back on this.